A new video here at Breakout Trading. We're going to dive right into our Wednesday stock review, and let's get started with the SPY. After a big decline in the market the past 2 weeks, we look like we have found some ground and have been moving up steadily. Had a big gap up on Monday and kind of just hanging out right here with a very high wave inverse hammer candle today. A lot of selling towards the end, but that is probably due to it being the last day of the quarter and people wanting to lock in their gains for the quarter. So the SPY, the market looking good. To continue higher. The next 2 days will really tell us which direction it wants to head from here on out. But we are looking good. Bulls are still in control. I'm going to go ahead and get Tesla out of the way here. And look at this thing. Look at this double bottom right there on the daily chart. Tesla's looking good. I think they announce their quarterly deliveries here soon, so that could be a big catalyst to get this. We're really looking to break 462 before we push even higher. It could do it tomorrow, could do it Friday. Whenever the news comes out, that could push it much higher. And, it's Tesla, so you know the deal. DraftKings, we've talked about this one recently, and look at this massive breakout it had after it broke through this support zone or resistance zone right here, and it's been ripping ever since. Did have a little bit of a pullback, bounced nicely off this 10 EMA. And is steadily going higher with a nice bullish candle today. No signs of DraftKings going south just yet. It's a new territory. Wants to see how far it can go. Beyond Meat, from what I've noticed, is really good at gapping up and fading the rest of the day, which is displayed by these high wicks that you see all over this chart, and that's what it's been doing the past 2 days. We did close at new all-time highs, and we did get rejected up at the 170 area, but this is a good sign that we did close above this previous high. So Beyond Meat's probably just going to coil up and run much higher, in my opinion. I have got some good gains on BYND the past couple days, so it is one that is in play right now, even when the market doesn't look so hot. Peloton, this one's looking really good as well. Kind of just steadily climbing as well. It had earnings right here on this massive sell-off day and took a couple weeks to recover from that. But you can see that from the high of that day, we did break through there and closed above it yesterday and retested it today, and we bounced perfectly right off of it with a little indecision, little pivot pattern right here. So I think Peloton's about to break free and fly. Watch that one closely. Only reason I'm putting BA in this review is because it finally did something interesting for the first time in 4 months. It's been in a serious downtrend, and the past few days have been really good for BA. The airlines in general have been pushing So that helps. I really won't be interested in this until probably, I mean, I'll look at it if we can get above right here, but really, if we can get, really not until we get above right around right there. So it's got a long way to go. It probably won't ever get there because it's BA. It's the worst stock in the market. Change my mind. I dare you. AMD. This one has been in a downtrend as well from its highs here in the 93s and a lot of selling. But look where it has caught its bottom from this huge gap up about almost 2 months ago now. The bottom of that candle has been very strong support as we have tested it and bounced off of it a few different times, and it now looks like we're kind of starting to break out again. So AMD, it's above the 10 EMA right now, which is a good bullish sign, and I'll be looking for swing position on this above 86, 87 for the longer term. So let's just see how this one plays out, and we'll go from there. So the market's strong, guys. There's a lot of people that think we're going down. We're not going down anytime soon. So buy the dip while you can. Please do not short anything unless it's clear that we are going south, and we're not. So hate to break it to you, but here is your Wednesday stock review, and we will be back with the next one tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, comment. Any stocks you want us to review, we'll do it. See ya.